In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members on Microsoft Teams for Android. Microsoft Teams has become an essential platform for collaboration, whether you're working remotely or coordinating with a team across different locations. Being able to invite new members efficiently is key to maintaining a productive workflow. Let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly add members using your Android device. To start, grab your Android smartphone and open the Microsoft Teams app. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily find it on the Google Play Store by searching for Microsoft Teams. Once you have the app up and running, you're ready to begin. Next, look toward the bottom of your screen. Here you'll see the Teams icon, which provides access to all of your associated teams. Tap on this icon to view a list of your teams. Identify and select the specific team that you wish to add members to. After you've selected the correct team, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Add Member icon. Tapping this icon will enable you to start the process of inviting new members. At this point, a pop-up will appear. Here you'll find several options, but first we'll focus on sharing a join link. Tap on Share Join Link and then copy the invite link. This is a handy feature, especially if you need to invite a large group of people quickly. By copying this link, you've essentially created a universal invitation that can be shared with anyone you wish to join this team. Once you've copied the link, you should then proceed by tapping on Add Members in the original pop-up menu. Another screen will appear where you'll be prompted to enter the person's details. You can do this by typing in their name, email address, or phone number. Identify the person you're inviting from the search results that appear. Next to their name, you'll see an Invite button. Tap this to proceed with the invitation process. A small pop-up will then appear at the bottom of your screen, giving you options for how to send the invite. You could choose to use various platforms such as email, text message, or any other communication app that you have installed. Simply select your preferred method, paste the previously copied invite link into the message, and send it. This ensures that the person you are inviting receives a direct link to join your team effortlessly. That's it. You've successfully invited new members to your team on Microsoft Teams using your Android device. This simple process can save you time and ensure that your team can quickly and efficiently begin collaborating on projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay connected and productive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.